provide a Ramadan food pack to some of the most vulnerable and impoverished people around the world. This year, Al-Khair Foundation is feeding 1 million people who are on the verge of survival. These people have no direct access to regular food supplies. Neither do they have access to clean and safe water, and many are suffering from illness due to their living conditions and the ongoing calamities around them, without any medical attention or treatment. These people do not ask for any comforts. They do not ask for luxuries. In fact, they have stopped asking for anything, as they are on the verge of losing hope. They struggle to survive and to keep their children fed. Now is the time to save lives. Without our collective efforts, they have no hope for survival. A £50 Ramadan food pack provides a family with the core sustenance they require to not feel hungry for a month. It can save the life of a malnourished child. It can provide strength to a family to persevere through their trials and tribulations, their struggle and calamity for another month. With food security, they can focus their efforts on how to find a solution to their circumstances. Al-Khair Foundation is not asking for just one food pack. We are asking for 5 Ramadan food packs to be distributed to the most vulnerable, displaced and disadvantaged refugee communities in the world. To the long conflict suffering people of Gaza, to the distraught and at-risk people in Syria, to the internally displaced people of Iraq, to the persecuted Rohingya people of Burma, to the exhausted refugees in the camps of Lebanon. £250 will provide a Ramadan food pack to a family in each of these regions. With this one donation, you will be enriching the lives of 5 families across the globe. In providing them this vital sustenance, you will give them the strength during this blessed month to keep their hope strong in their hearts, to ensure they survive this Ramadan. So together we grow as a stronger ummah, able to help one another in times of need and calamity. This is the sign to donate now and feed 5 families for a month in 5 regions across the globe for just £250. Change lives forever by calling 03000 999 786 or donate online at alkhair.org.